Hi friends, today we're reviewing an exchange you've often asked about, BYDFi. This is a platform built on simplicity and speed, a clean interface, no unnecessary buttons, and maximum convenience for both beginners and active traders. By the way, BYDFi is the official partner of Newcastle United Football Club, which highlights its status and strong level of trust. The exchange is actively developing, adding new features, and delighting newcomers with generous bonuses. In this video, we'll go through the full journey: registration and security setup, verification and account funding, spot and futures trading, copy trading, and trading bots. Working with MoonX, BYDFi's built-in DEX. And here's the key point. By registering through our link in the description and entering promo code CryptoPump, you'll receive up to 8,100 USDT in bonuses, a full month of VIP status, and direct support from the BYDFi team. This is an excellent starter package that lets you immediately experience all the exchange's features without unnecessary limitations. Let's go. Ahead is a complete breakdown of the platform and its functions. Imagine an exchange without overloaded interfaces, endless tabs, or confusing menus. Everything is simple, compact, and runs at the speed you expect from a modern platform. That's exactly what BYDFi looks like. Launched in 2020 and already trusted by traders worldwide, BYDFi was created with beginners in mind. Intuitive interface, minimalist sections, easy to understand in just a couple of minutes. At the same time, the platform remains convenient for experienced traders who value speed and stability. There's no strict requirement for KYC. Most features are available immediately after registration. Verification is only needed for higher limits and specific operations. This approach makes BYDFi comfortable for those who value privacy, while still allowing full functionality if desired. The terminal runs fast, orders execute instantly, and data updates smoothly. Even during sharp market swings, the system stays stable. BYDFi uses cold storage of assets, multi-level account protection, two-factor authentication, continuous risk monitoring, ongoing development. The exchange doesn't stand still. It regularly adds new tools, improves both web and mobile versions, and runs promotions and bonus campaigns for new users. BYDFi combines simplicity and speed with reliability and flexibility. It's suitable both for those taking their first steps in crypto and for traders seeking a stable tool for daily trading and long-term strategies. Starting on BYDFi takes literally 1 minute. The registration process is as simple and convenient as possible. Steps: follow the link in the description under the video. This is our official partner link. Enter promo code CryptoPump to activate welcome bonuses of up to 8,100 USDT, get 1 month of VIP status, and direct support from the BYDFi team. On the page that opens, choose how to create your account, via email or phone number. Enter your email or phone, create a secure password, and click Create Account. Confirm registration with the code sent to your email or SMS. After that, your account is ready. You'll immediately land in your personal dashboard where you can set up security, deposit funds, and start trading. The BYDFi interface is so simple and minimalist that even complete beginners will have no trouble figuring it out. And don't forget to check the description. We've gathered useful links there to help you get started even faster. After registration, the very first step is to enable the main security settings. This protects your account and funds. Hover over the profile icon in the top right corner. Select Account and Security. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This is the main and mandatory protection element. Click Enable next to Google Authenticator. Step by step, install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Scan the QR code that appears on the screen. Enter the 6-digit code to confirm. Save the backup key. You'll need it if you lose access to your phone. Once 2FA is enabled, your account will be securely protected and you can move on to verification. We also recommend linking your mobile phone number for additional safety. BYDFi allows you to trade and use the main features without mandatory KYC. But if you need higher limits, faster withdrawals, and full access to all features, it's better to complete identity verification. How to pass KYC. Hover over the profile icon in the top right corner. Select Identity Verification. Click Start. Choose the type of document: passport, ID card, or driver's license. Upload a photo of the document. Take a selfie. The system will automatically match the image. Enter your residential address and submit the application. Verification usually takes just a few minutes, after which your status changes to verified. Once KYC is complete, you'll unlock extended limits and additional features. Friends, we've gathered all the most reliable exchanges, convenient wallets, and services with exclusive bonuses for you right in the description under this video. Think of it as a ready-made survival kit in the crypto world. Just take it and use it to start in the most profitable way possible. After registration and security setup, you can deposit funds. BYDFi supports convenient methods, cryptocurrency, and online exchangers. The interface is extremely simple, so even beginners can figure it out quickly. Method 1. Crypto deposit. Perfect for those who already have crypto. Hover over the top menu Wallet. Select Deposit. Choose a coin, for example USDT. Select the network: TRC20, ERC20, Arbitrum, BNB Chain, or another. Copy the address provided by the system. Transfer funds from your wallet or another exchange. Important: the sending network must match the chosen deposit network. If they differ, funds will be lost. After blockchain confirmations, the cryptocurrency will automatically appear in your balance. Method 2. Deposit via exchanger. This method is suitable if you don't yet have crypto or want to pay directly with a bank card. Follow the link to the exchanger aggregator in the description under the video. In the left column, select your bank or payment system. In the right column, choose the cryptocurrency, for example USDT, TRC20. Pick an exchanger with a good rating and favorable rate. On the exchanger's site, paste your BYDFi deposit address, complete the payment. Within a few minutes, the coins will arrive in your account. BYDFi's P2P marketplace is not available in all countries, so for fiat, it's better to use trusted exchangers from the description. On BYDFi, you can withdraw both cryptocurrency and fiat. The process is extremely simple and fully mirrors deposits, just in reverse. Spot trading on BYDFi is the simplest way to buy and sell cryptocurrency at the current or chosen price. The interface is extremely clear, so even beginners can easily understand it. In the top menu, select Spot. The trading terminal will open. Find the trading pair you need, for example BTC USDT or any other coin from the list. At the bottom panel, two main order types are available: Market order, executed instantly at the current price, convenient for quick purchases. Limit order. You set the price at which you want to buy or sell the asset. Enter the amount or number of coins, click buy or sell. Once the order is executed, the coins immediately appear in your spot balance. You can withdraw them, exchange them, or use them in other sections of the platform. Futures are one of the key tools on BYDFi, allowing you to profit both from rising and falling markets. Unlike spot trading, here you trade contracts instead of the coins themselves, meaning you can use leverage, open longs and shorts, and apply more flexible strategies. This format is especially appealing to those who want to increase potential profits and use advanced trading methods. BYDFi supports perpetual futures, offers a convenient interface, and ensures high execution speed. The platform is simple to manage, so even beginners can quickly get the hang of it. How to trade futures. In the top menu, select futures. The trading terminal will open with a chart, order book, and trade management panel. Next, set up your trade. Choose a trading pair, for example, BTC USDT. Set leverage. BYDFi allows from 1 up to 100. Beginners are recommended to use minimal leverage, 2-5x. Define trade direction. Long, if you expect the price to rise. Short, if you expect the price to fall. Select order type. Market. Open at the current price. Limit. Open at the price you set. Enter the amount. Specify the volume you want to allocate. Set stop loss and take profit. Essential for risk control. Stop loss protects against large losses. Take profit automatically locks in profit. Click open position. All active trades appear in the bottom panel of the terminal. Here you can track P&L, profit loss, see the liquidation price, adjust stop loss and take profit. Close the position fully or partially. And if you want to learn how to invest and trade the right way, join our Telegram channel. There we explain everything in simple language without complicated terms or unnecessary theory. The link is already waiting for you under the video, but jump in and start leveling up your skills with us. The copy trading section on BYDFi allows you to connect to professional traders' strategies and automatically copy their trades. This feature is perfect for beginners who want to earn without doing their own analysis, and for those who prefer the simplest way to trade. How to open copy trading? In the top menu, select copy. You'll see the main copy trading screen with 2 tabs. Top traders, a selection of traders with the best metrics right now. All traders, the full list of available strategies. On the top traders tab, you'll also find the high ROI block. Traders showing the highest returns over the last 30 days. The list is dynamic and updates automatically. Each trader's card displays key indicators. ROI for the period, for example 30 days. Maximum drawdown, P&L, trade frequency, number of followers, trading style. To connect, simply click copy on the trader's card. Trader profile details. When you open a trader's profile, you'll see performance, ROI and P&L for the selected period. ROI chart, visual dynamics of returns. P&L chart, preferences, main trading pair like BTC USDT. Trading pairs used by the trader. Position statistics, trade history, and volumes. How to start copying. Click the copy button, enter the amount you want to allocate to the strategy, confirm the connection. After that, all new trades from the trader will be automatically mirrored in your account. BYDFi lets you customize risk parameters. Maximum trade size, loss limit, position count limit. Automatic stop copying if drawdown occurs. You can also, at any time, pause copying, close individual trades, adjust limits, fully disconnect from the trader. BYDFi has a built-in trading bot section, automated strategies that help you profit from market fluctuations without constant monitoring. The platform offers 4 real types of bots, exactly as shown in the screenshot. Spot Grid, buys lower and sells higher within a chosen price range, works 24/7. Spot DCA, dollar cost averaging, regularly buys a coin in small portions, lowering the average entry price. Futures Grid, grid strategy on futures, allowing you to earn both on rising and falling markets. Spot Martingale, buys more on dips with larger volumes to recover faster when the price bounces back. How to launch a bot. Hover over the top menu and open trading bots. Choose the bot type. For example, Spot Grid. Select a trading pair, for example, BTC USDT. Configure parameters manually, trading range, number of levels, investment amount, or leave some settings as default. Click Create to launch the bot. After launch, once activated, the bot works fully automatically. Places grid orders, locks in profits as the price moves, displays statistics in your personal dashboard. You can, at any time, stop the bot, adjust settings, withdraw profits, view detailed statistics. If you still have questions or want to dive deeper, we've got a private referral chat. In the chat, you can always get support directly from the team and other members who've already gone through this journey. The link to the chat is under the video. Join us and get the maximum value from our community. MoonX is a separate section inside BYDFi where you can buy and trade tokens directly through decentralized networks. In essence, it's a full-fledged DEX marketplace integrated into the exchange. It's especially useful for working with meme coins, new listings, and assets that aren't yet available on centralized platforms. How to open MoonX. In the top menu, select MoonX. Inside, you'll find key tabs. Watchlist, tokens you've added manually. New listings, fresh tokens that just appeared. Trends, tokens currently showing high interest and activity. X stocks, 24H vol, DEX screener. Additional analytical selections. Gainers, losers, top performers, and decliners. Each token is displayed with core metrics. Price, 24H change, rise, fall. Market capitalization, pair liquidity, number of transactions, trading volume, holder count, security level. Quick buy button. For example, purchased with 1/10 Sol. BYDFi offers a convenient app for iOS and Android, fully mirroring the functionality of the web version. Inside, all the key tools are available: spot and futures trading, copy trading, trading bots, built-in MoonX decks, deposits and withdrawals, convenience and speed. The interface is simple and intuitive. Everything opens quickly, orders execute without delays. Essential functions are just a couple of taps away. The app is perfect for those trading from their phone. You can instantly check the market, open a trade, top up your balance, or start stop-a-bot on the go. The BYDFi team releases updates regularly, so the app runs smoothly and always supports the newest exchange features. In the end, the BYDFi mobile app turns your smartphone into a full-fledged trading terminal, convenient, fast, and without unnecessary complications. BYDFi takes the protection of user funds and accounts seriously, applying a multi-level security system. Main measures: cold storage, two-factor authentication, mandatory protection, withdrawal confirmations, address protection, activity monitoring, additional settings. To strengthen your security, simply go to Profile, Security Center. There you can enable extra measures and configure withdrawal confirmations to minimize any risks. BYDFi provides a basic yet reliable set of tools to protect your account and assets. With proper configuration, the security level becomes maximally comfortable for daily trading. For new users, BYDFi offers a generous bonus program. By registering with promo code CryptoPump, you can receive up to 8,100 USDT in bonuses. These are credited as coupons and deposit rewards. The size of the rewards depends on your activity: deposits, trading, and completing tasks. In addition, BYDFi runs a referral program. Invite friends, earn extra bonuses and cashback from their trading activity. This way, BYDFi motivates not only active trading, but also building your own community. If you haven't yet liked and subscribed, now's the perfect time. That way you'll support our project and never miss new reviews and useful materials. All links to our Telegram, top exchanges, wallets, and services with bonuses are already waiting for you in the description. BYDFi is a modern, multifunctional crypto exchange that suits both beginners and experienced traders. Simple navigation and fast interface. Spot, futures, copy trading, trading bots, and the built-in MoonX decks. All in one place: constant development, new tools, and enhanced security. In short, BYDFi is an excellent choice for both daily trading and long-term strategies. If you found this material useful, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and check the description for all the links to our Telegram, top exchanges, wallets, and services with bonuses. See you in the next videos.